Welcome everybody back to Boost Emotion, guys. And today we continue to have so much problem with the Nissan Z's. You guys can't even get your hands on one, and now there's a recall. Hit that intro. Welcome everybody back to Boost Emotion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. Welcome everybody back. Welcome everybody back. I know that's two welcome everybody backs. First thing, if you're part of the Boost Emotion channel, that means you already hit the like button. I really appreciate you guys. And if you're new to the Boost Emotion channel, watch this video and watch some other videos. And if you enjoy that content, definitely hit the subscribe button with the bell notification. But anyways, now that we got that out the way, I want to share this quick update, guys. So this is coming from the new Nissan Z proto site. And as it says, 2023 vehicle models equipped with automatic transmission have been added to this campaign and stop sale. Unfortunately, I do not have any more information to share at this time. What does that mean? All right. The automaker blames dimensional variations during the manufacturing process for causing the park and prowl to fail to engage as it is intended. This in turn could cause the vehicle to move, although the shifter is in park. Yes, guys, that means that pretty much this is it's only people with autos have this problem. I believe when I remember from automatic transmission is a parking pin. When you put the car in park, there's a pin there, and that's what keeps the car pretty much engaged from rolling back or going forward, right? Because there's no more real there's a handbrake, but no one really uses it, right? So on Nissan Titans and I believe Frontiers with this new 9-speed auto, it has happened to them, right? Well, guess what? We're gonna go down a little bit more in this post. This was from August 29th, right? Let me move down a little bit forward. They says this part is recall. This is part of recall over 180,000 trucks. 180,000 trucks, right? But let's see how much does it affect the Nissan Z. Remember, there's only 240 of them made currently at this moment. Let's see here. Here's the campaign. August 2029. This is going to affect the 2020 to 2023 Titans Frontiers and the Nissan Z with automatic transmission, right? Everything's going to be to be announced, and they're saying stop sale effectively because they want this recall to be reshaped and figured. Now, on September 9th, this article came across, right? It says September 2nd, but September 9th, they posted it. The announcement from 2021 has been revised to include the following, right? So 58,000 Titans, excuse me, 52,000 Frontiers. That's basically what was already out there because I guess that's already old. 89,000 Frontiers, though, the newer ones, the 2022 and up. And they're saying the dealer inventory is 6,200. But look at how much Nissan Z's this really affects. 220 Nissan Z's, and there's only 17 in inventory. So, all in all, does this really affect the Nissan Z? In my honest opinion, what do you guys think? Um, do you think this is really going to affect more on the distribution of the regular sport and performance models? Now I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion. Yes, because those cars are already being made or have already been made. So now they have to go through whatever cars were going to be shipped, whenever they do receive them to those dealerships or to their manufacturer facilities, and they're just going to make the simple change. Hopefully, something quick. But once again, this is another delay in the process of you guys getting your car. Also, on top of that, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. The more and more stories I see on the Nissan Z going to the pros going to dealerships and they're finally getting theirs, they're not selling their Nissan Z. It's pretty much there as a prop. A real loyal enthusiast really isn't getting the car unless it goes for top dollar. Once again, I believe in the idea of um, capitalism and everything like that. And there is you don't need to get this car. It's a want. So if you're willing to pay 100 grand, that's up to you. There's different people who definitely paid for the Nissan Proto. But at the end of the day, just seeing how this whole thing is carried on from this issue now to just rolling these cars out for it to being delayed for what, a year or 2 years already. At this point, I just want to see the car out already. I want to see it on the road. I want to see people driving. I want to see people reviewing it. You got to see a couple of reviews from Brady Rides recently, and also from that dude in blue, because now they have the stick shift 6-speed manual Supra, and now it's like, okay, let's do a good comparison. And to be honest, I follow both of these YouTubers, Brady Rides and that dude in blue, and that dude in blue actually took up more with the Supra. He says it's more of the track focused car that he actually enjoys driving more. But Brady's Rod said he actually would rather drive the Nissan Z more of a daily type of car, and then the Supra more on the track. Once again, these guys are giving it both different honest reviews, and I really can't wait to get my hands on at least an automatic one on both of these ends. Like I just can't wait, as I want to drive both of these cars and give you guys my honest opinion. But we gotta sit here and wait till Nissan gets their stuff right, so we can actually get these cars on the road and check it out. Hopefully by the end of the year, because it's September now. They're supposed to be rolling out the regular sports and non-sports in September and October. So hopefully they get a lot of this automatic stuff fixed up for us to be able to go and get these cars. That's it. Also a couple of other updates I've been actually hearing. That the 9-speed transmission is not even that much glorified. Like compared to the 7-speed, it's just that it has 2 more gears, and it's like, okay, there's more gears, but they still feel as if it's still the same 7-speed. At least from what I've been reading from a couple people who've driven the 9-speed. So once again, it's like, are we gonna get a car with a slush box transmission? Is it gonna be an energetic transmission? But when you try to compare this transmission to like a ZF, of course it's gonna be different. Of course it's gonna have a different feel and everything like that. But hopefully in the aftermarket we will be able to do transmission tunes, because that's probably one of the Achilles heels of the Q50 Q60 VR30. And hopefully in the Nissan Z platform, this would be something that we can remedy, and now we can have better 60 foots, better quarter mile times, better 60 to 130s, because better gear ratios mean quicker car. But outside that, guys, you already know what to do. Add me at boostinmotion on IG, Facebook, and boostinmotion@gmail.com. I know I made this video a little bit long, but I just want to give you guys a quick update on Nissan Z. Otherwise than that, guys, I appreciate you guys. You guys have a good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Check you guys later in the next video. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some Boost in Motion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel.